guys, today we're gonna react to this guy.
Yeah.
I don't want to get copyrighted, so you will not be able to hear it. So let's go.
What if you trap liquid nitrogen in your bottle? How do you make a smoke cannon? Or a flamethrower, or secret spyglasses with home supply? These are just a few of the insane science experiments you can do at home. This is a nitrogen rocket.
We're just gonna pour the liquid nitrogen into the Coke bottle. And once I cap this, the pressure is gonna start building.
Oh shoot! Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
It don't bring
I didn't know it was chill like that.
Dude,
This is
that's
a
what
push
it
bottle
is.
experiment.
It's open to fence.
And you can easily do it at home. All you need is some big jugulars, rubbing alcohol, and a lighter. Pour in your alcohol.
Let's
What we
support
want to
this
do
guy.
is just swoosh it around until it fully coats a jug.
Sorry if my
We
connection
can
is
pour
bad.
out the rest. The alcohol evaporates and mixes with the air inside, so now it's extremely flammable. Now that's a whoosh.
These are secret spyglasses, and it's really
Glasses.
easy to
will
make.
skip
Grab
the
an
video
old
until my
LCD
connection
screen and
is
cut
good.
off the top polarizing.
So, subscribe to my channel. I have 53 subscribers.
Yeah.
Guys, we are back.
Wow,
Now
that's
that's a whoosh.
These
smoke.
are secret spyglasses,
smoke?
and it's really easy to make. Grab an old LCD screen and cut off the top polarizing layer. Then there will be left a nasty layer of glue that you need to scrape off. Now when you turn on the monitor, all you'll see is white. To reveal the image, simply place a polarizing layer over the screen. Now attach this polarizing layer
What?
to some frames, and you have secret spyglasses. This is a homemade flamethrower
No
made
way.
with cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder contains a lot of
Homemade
oil, making it water
flamethrower?
resistant.
That means if we dip our finger into the water, it should not
Couldn't
get
get
wet.
dirty.
Hey, that's still cinnamon powder also makes it super flammable. So we can actually make a flamethrower out of cinnamon powder. If we just pour some into the squeeze bottle here, that's gonna be our flamethrower. So if we just take a lighter and squeeze our cinnamon onto it, we should have a flamethrower. It's go time.
Flamethrower.
What?
Oh yeah. You can splice DNA out, and it's really easy to do.
Huh?
First, grab a
Slice
big
what?
blackened
DNA.
girthy banana. I need to get this
DNA?
banana
I think we
DNA
can
so I
see.
can.
Wait, come on.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You can splice DNA at home, and it's really easy to do. First, grab a big blackened girthy banana. I need to get this banana DNA so I can grow a new one because mine is too small. Put the bits into a Ziploc bag and beat your banana until it's smooth. We need to make the extraction liquid by mixing warm water, salt, and dish soap. Now pour your extraction liquid into the banana sack and let it sit for 10 minutes. Next, use a funnel and a coffee filter to filter out your creamy banana juice. Now we can add
Okay, what is it?
You'll start to see three different layers. At the bottom is a banana, the middle is the alcohol, and the cloudy white stuff at the top is your DNA. Now you can pick this up, look at it, play with it. Now I can grow a real banana.
What happens if you pour nitrogen in water?
We have our liquid nitrogen here, negative 320 degrees. Anything it touches, it will instantly
So
freeze.
cold.
This is a broccoli. Oh, this is a bread.
Bread.
Yummy. We are now
You're
pouring the
lying.
liquid
That is not
nitrogen
yummy.
into
Yeah.
the pool. This will create a massive smoke effect.
Look at that.
Oh. The liquid nitrogen is sitting on top of the water. The water is actually considered hot to liquid nitrogen. So it's causing the liquid nitrogen to instantly boil and then turn into vapor. That looks so cool.
So it's gonna
This
turn
is
to
a
ice.
self-exploding balloon. To make
Yeah.
it, all you need is Ziploc bag, baking soda, pure citric acid, and Vinegar. In the bigger bag, add a 1-to-1 mix of baking soda and citric acid. Shake it up a little bit. In
Okay,
the
if this
smaller
guy-
bag, add
if,
Vinegar.
this video
And
gets
before you seal
at
it
least
up, add some
20
mayo.
likes,
Now place the
I'll make
smaller
a part
bag
2.
into the bigger bag. Now when I whack the smaller bag, the Vinegar is gonna mix with the citric acid and baking soda,
gonna take
causing a
out the
huge
guitar.
chemical
How many
reaction.
guys?
It's go time!
I mean, you got it before.
Oh my gosh, that's gonna be insane.
It's gonna explode.
Oh, it busts. busted. This professor risks his
Busted.
life to prove a scientific theory.
That's
But
a
what is it?
blow.
So I've recreated the experiment at home to test if it's real. It's called the conservation of mechanical energy, meaning if I let go and give it a push, the weight should come back further than where it started.
If that
That's
hits
pretty
you, you're
dangerous.
dead.
But if
No,
I
you're dead.
don't
You're
add
actually
an
dead. No,
outside
your
force
skull
like
will
a
be
push, then the
decapitated.
kinetic energy should stay the
Yeah,
same.
this
It will
is
come back,
dangerous.
but not have
Don't
enough
try
energy
this
to
at
go
home.
past the initial
Keep someone's
starting
in the
point.
way.
And I'm willing to bet my life on
Yeah.
science. If this goes wrong, I'll probably end up with a few broken teeth. It's go
Yes.
time! Oh, science!
That was
This is a
close.
Okay, do
magnetic
not do
foil
that,
ball,
though.
and it's really easy to make. Steal a large piece of aluminum from your mom's drawer. Then wave a magnet
What?
over dirt to get iron filings, which you will use to fill the center of the ball. Scrunch up your aluminum ball. Roll it up. Beat your ball hard until it's round and smooth. And use some sandpaper to smooth it out.
ball.
Now you have a ball of steel. Let's see how magnetic it really is. You can use some regular
That's a-
magnets to guide it around.
That's a
Now let's try a
magnet.
super magnet. It's go down.
Super
Now it
magnet.
moves around even faster. And you can play catch. Got it! How are these liquids floating on each other and not mixing? Let's recreate this experiment and find out. At the bottom, we have maple syrup because I'm Canadian. In the middle, we'll have water. And at the top, we'll add oil. No matter what, these liquids...
What's the title? What's the title?
Oh,
Okay.
It's probably going to do that experiment soon. Okay. Oh my god, I have bad connection.
Come on.
How are these liquids floating on each other and not mixing? Let's recreate this experiment and find out. At the bottom, we have maple syrup because I'm Canadian. In the middle, we'll have water. And at the top, we'll add oil. No matter what, these liquids...
Bruh.
Connection.
How are codes when our connection's been good?
Bro.
Today we are back.
Yeah.
Let's see.
densities. If
We
we
actually
drop a nut, it will sink all the way to the bottom because it's heavier than oil, water, and syrup. But
This
if
is
we
much
drop a
better
grape, it will
than-
stay in the middle layer because it's less dense than syrup. And if we drop a bottle cap, it will float on top of the water. And lastly, if we drop a sponge, it will float right on top because it's the least dense. And after all that, we can see the difference in density between all the liquids and the objects. This is a real-life laser beam. While it looks like something out of
And
Star Wars,
also,
Laser beam.
watch this edit. 3, 2, 1. Which it should do a vine boom.
it's really easy to simulate. So here's the setup. We have a 5 milliwatt laser. In front of it is a fan that we're able to control the speed of. And in order to see everything properly, we had to fog up the place with a fog machine. Believe it or not, this is not special effects. It's
but
all
not
done
control
in
the
camera,
speed.
only because we have a perfect match
We couldn't get it because our brother was using it.
Yeah.
Big brother. He's older than us.
fog machine. Believe it or not, this is not special effects. It's all done in camera, only because we have a perfect match between the shutter speed, the laser, and the fan speed. So now it looks like the laser beam is going through my hand. This chemical reaction looks like magic. There's no editing trick. It's purely a kinetic reaction. To make it at home, first pour 120 milliliters of water into a container. Crush your vitamin C
video is only
into a
10
fine
minutes.
powder. Then measure out 500 milligrams and mix it with your water. Once it's all mixed, add 12 milliliters of iodine. And you can instantly see the iodine color instantly disappear. We'll leave this aside and start mixing our second solution.
I'll be
Add
right
40
back.
milliliters of boiling
Okay.
water and
I'll
add
ju- I'll just-
200 milligrams of cornstarch and mix it well. Now mix in another
Now I'm
100
alone.
milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. By now, you should be feeling like Walter White because both of our solutions are done. Now we just have to mix the two liquids back and forth, and then they should instantly change colors after a while.
What?
This is a homemade lava lamp. All you need is baking soda, Vinegar, vegetable oil, food coloring, a tall cup, and a flashlight. First, feed thick spoons of baking soda into the cup. This is what will power our lamp. Next step is to oil up and fill up the entire cup with oil. Now, in a separate glass, mix Vinegar with some food coloring. Once we pour in our Vinegar, it should start to power the lava lamp. This works because the Vinegar is reacting with baking soda, which is making the liquid bubble and
Yo, he's
circulate.
back.
Ooh, so cute. cute. This is a homemade smoke cannon. Smoke rings look cool, but smoking is bad. So here's how to blow smoke rings safely. First, cut a water bottle near the top, since it's more solid than the squishy bottom. Next, cut off the top of a balloon. Stretch her out real good. So now you can easily wrap it around the bottle. To make smoke, put a few matches on a piece of foil and roll it up with a
What do
pencil.
you
Fold the
need
top of the
smoke
foil
for?
and take the pencil out. So when you light the tip, smoke can only escape from one side. Our bottle is now filled with smoke. Tap the back to make smoke rings.
This is instant snow. To make it,
All you need is
Is
distilled
this
water
snow?
and sodium polyacrylate, which is found in diapers. This material
Ew.
Diapers?
It's found in diapers.
And when you add some water, it forms a snow-like structure. Now let's try on a bigger
We
scale
probably
with
all
more
try that.
sodium polyacrylate. Oh my gosh! It's starting to look a lot like Christmas. I feel like
Christmas?
Elsa.
it's time to experiment with something new.
We got Cook Unity. This is something new you gotta try. It's a first chef-to-you
Please tell me
meal
it's not
delivery service.
sponsored.
They have over
I
70
think this
chefs
is
that cook
the
all
last
types of
is
cuisines, from Italian
Oh, it's a
to Indian.
it's
Each week you can
sponsored.
select from 7 different diets.
You pour
Oh,
lava, you walk.
God.
Minecraft tells me it will make an unbreakable material called obsidian. So
Yes,
to
it's
test if
not.
that's true, we have
It
to
is
make
not
some lava.
unbreakable.
First, heat up
It's
the furnace.
stone.
Then we add
It's
the
going
rocks
to make
and let it heat up
and
until it turns
obsidian.
bright orange and it will
Yeah.
start melting.
Alright, our lava is
Obsidian
melted.
is
Now
the
let's get it
acid
into the
real.
pool.
It's
Oh my gosh.
ironstone.
Oh my god, this is my favorite
Dump the
part.
whole thing in.
It's boiling and turning into steam instant.
Now we just have to dive down there and retrieve
Dive?
our obsidian. So we retrieved all of our rocks. The texture here is super interesting. You can
Oh, that
basically
was stone.
break it apart just with your fingers.
What's
That
in
means
it?
Minecraft is a lie.
If you want to watch more cool
Minecraft is
experiments,
a
go on the
lie?
screen right now. And
What do you
subscribe.
mean Minecraft is like? Okay, let's finish this.
If you guys enjoyed, make sure to
Some dreams are so
subscribe.
beautiful.
Bye. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. Do 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 do. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake.